Hello people, in this video we'll be looking at yet another application of GPT-3 based models, which is translation. GPT-3 based models can summarize a wide variety of text from different languages into English. So in this case, we'll be looking at translation of a Hindi transcript between a customer and a customer care provider. Okay, so this text corpus, we'll be copying this, pasting it here and click translate. So GPT-3 based models usually compare this text with their dead knowledge base and they usually come up with the translation for the text. So it's a long text corpus. So it says that it has successfully translated it. Let's widen this up. Okay, it's a long text. So yes, so you can see that this is an equally long text in Hindi also. It's an equally long text in Hindi also. Now this is a conversation between someone and birds of planes. I think it's a phonetical mistake here, and they're saying that they want to paint base. Payment will be made with RTGS. There is an amount, gross amount here, and try to summarize this with the AI again. Once again, the AI is already shown us it can summarize the text. Let's see what it is doing for us. It says the customer has placed an order. So we can, once on seeing here, we can confirm that this is the information that has been summarized here. Yes. Yeah. So yes, this is yet another application of GPT-3 based models wherein it is successfully able to transcribe a given text, understand that it's a conversation, and it is able to precisely summarize the given text for a given use case. Thank you.